This are some of the creepiest facts about praying mantises I bet you never knew about. Fact number 1. A praying mantis can strike so fast that the human eye can barely follow the movement. One moment its prey is safe, and the next it's trapped in razor-sharp front legs. But it gets even scarier. Fact number 2. Praying mantises don't just hunt insects. Large species have been filmed catching small birds, lizards, frogs, mice, and shockingly, even other larger animals. If you really want us to save this poor cute bunny from being eaten alive by this monster, comment help. And hit the subscribe button to grow our merciful army. And now for the creepiest fact. Fact number 3. Female praying mantises sometimes eat the male during or after mating. The male risks becoming a meal just for trying to reproduce. So the next time you see a praying mantis standing perfectly still, remember, you're looking at a lightning-fast predator that hunts almost anything it can overpower, including its own mate.